Make this tasty and juicy recipe. You'll love it. In a pan over medium heat, add some oil, 4 diced potatoes, and sauté them until they turn golden. Transfer all these potatoes into a bowl and add 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 pinch of salt, and stir. Take a moment to tell me where you're watching us from, so I can personally thank you for following our recipes. Put the potatoes aside. Next, in the same pan, add a little more oil and chop 1 onion and sauté for 2 minutes. Now add 400 grams of minced meat and stir until it gives a slight change in color. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and stir until water evaporates. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and write in the comments, "I love potatoes." Now, in a pan on low heat, add a little bit of oil and spread it well with a brush. Now, add half of our egg and potato mixture and even it out. Then, add the minced beef, and finally, add the rest of the potatoes. This pie is perfect for lunch or dinner, and it's also very healthy. You won't regret it. Cover the pan and let it cook for 10 minutes. Then, turn it over with the help of a plate and add grated mozzarella cheese. Cover it again and let it cook for 5 minutes. And our recipe is ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.